All right, hello everyone. Good morning. It's about quarter to 11. If you watched the previous video that was on some forex chart analysis, this is now going to be on strictly US equities. It doesn't necessarily have to be a US company, but it's just what's sort of traded, in that sort of 9:30 p.m. open, really. So interesting. The China stocks are still in play as well. I'm using trade ideas and it just cycles through. So I'm not doing this intentionally when it sort of goes from one chart to the other. But this was just sort of the main plays from last night. And it looks like CCCL, China Ceramics, and PTI Therapeutics as well were both. Well, I mean, PTI was a big mover, and it closed. High day as well. So it had a pretty big spike. Well, let me bring that chart back up. Bring that chart back up. Bring that chart. No, I didn't. What am I talking about? That must have been a daily chart that I had up there. So, yeah, okay. Well, I mean, if that is a daily chart, that looks pretty good. I mean, 15 minutes. Let's bring the 5 minute up and let's see. You know what was really good? You've seen runners now. And I mean, massive volume as well when you go up volume here and the relative volume. So you've just got to really, I mean, I don't know if that's correct. That's unreal how much more volume that did. So I'm just trying to cycle down here. So it's gained nearly 1,000% in 20 days. So, it's small cap type stock, low float. Yeah, and got a ton of volume floating in as well. I just want to make sure that's the 5 minute. It is the 5 minutes. So, look, I mean, that's pre-market. So can we go? Let's go like to the hourly or so. 60 minute. Yeah, let's see what's good. Okay. All right. So we've had a little bit of. I guess it would have closed on the 19th for me because obviously the market closes at 4 a.m. So that's 4 p.m. New York time. So, but it's interesting how it did sort of close near its at its high, high of 10:38, and it closed at 35, 34. So, and just massive volume on those candles. It's just like wow, especially through 10 too. So, you might just keep running. It's Friday, so get some short squeeze and people covering and shorts that obviously didn't work out too well. They're going to be trying to get out as quick as they can. So we'll see what this one does. CCCL. This one also not too bad too. So look, I mean, it got to a high of 645. So this is sort of like petered out a little bit, but it's sort of wedging up nicely and would wait to see where it goes. It's a little bit harder, obviously, to short stocks. You got to have shares available and whatnot, but definitely one to watch still. Now there was another stock as well. Where is it? CPHI. So the China stocks are moving a little bit, and it's pleasing to see. Obviously, August, September were pretty slow, and especially August, but. Okay, so this is interesting. So it spiked and rejected a dollar. What did it reject? 84. Okay, was the high there. And I guess you waited for it to dip down a little bit and then pop back up again. This is sort of interesting. Like really that was the trade. It was when it was, mid 20 cents and then it popped up and that was the run. So what you really want to look for is that perk and volume. So obviously, I mean, it had a little bit of perk. Like it's on a scale that's a lot, that's completely flat, and then it just sort of perks a little bit. That's probably where you'd get in there. I don't think there was any real news on this one. It was just the fact that it was moving, it was sympathy play, that sort of thing. So again, it held below there, 40 odd, so mid 40 cents is sort of a bit of support there. So maybe a bounce or a test of maybe 60 cents or so. Because I've tried a few times the 60 there, 56, 55. So if it breaks through 60, cents. See a run, maybe you'd like to see it go to over $1. Like that's what you'd be attempting to do. You're getting at 62 or so, chasing the dollar, break through the dollar. Has a massive run, so I'll be watching that as well. But that's the video, guys. I will be able to make another video. I don't have work tonight, so I'll be making another video about what I'm looking at as well. I'll run this during the session as well. I've got my Interactive Brokers account as well, so I might do some live trading. Stay tuned for that, guys. Have a great day. Bye for now.